video, we're going to discuss about factors and multiples. Let's start in factors. Factors are numbers we multiply to get a product. For example, if we multiply 2 and 3, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. That's how we find factors of a number. Let's proceed to the examples. List down all the factors of 24. To find the factors of 24, we just need to think of two numbers that if we multiply, we'll get the product of 24. Okay, pwedeng 1 times 24 or 24 times 1. 1 times 24 is 24. Pwedeng 2 times 12 because 2 times 12 is equal to 24. Pwede ding 3 times 8 because 3 times 8 is equal to 24. And 4 times 6 because 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, and 6 are the factors of 24. We will not include 1 because all numbers have a factor of 1. Okay, the factors of 24 are 24 itself, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, and 6. Let's proceed to the second example. List down all the factors of 15. Okay, we'll just need to think of two numbers that if we multiply, we'll get a product of 15. Okay, the first is 1 times 15 or 15 times 1. 1 times 15 is 15. And next, okay, 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Okay, meron pa bang dalawang numbers? Okay, wala na. Okay, therefore, the factors of 15 are 15 itself, 3, and 5. Again, we will not include 1 because all numbers have a factor of 1. The factors of 15 are 15 itself, 3, and 5. Okay, let's have more examples. List down all the factors of 20. Okay, we'll just need to think of two numbers that if we multiply, we'll get a product of 20. Okay, the first is 1 times 20 because 1 times 20 is equal to 20. Okay, pwedeng 2 times 10 because 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Next, 4 times 5 because 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay, therefore, the factors of 20 are 20 itself, 2, 10, 4, and 5. We will not include 1 because all numbers have a factor of 1. Therefore, the factors of 20 are 20, 2, 10, 4, and 5. Okay, let's proceed to the next example. List down all the factors of 30. Okay, to find the factors of a number, we just need to think of two numbers that if we multiply, we'll get a product of 30. Okay, pwedeng 1 times 30 because 1 times 30 is 30. 2 times 15 because 2 times 15 or 15 times 2 is equal to 30. 3 times 10 or 10 times 3 equals 30. 5 times 6 or 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Meron pa ba? Okay, wala na. Therefore, the factors of 30 are 30 itself, 2, 15, 3, 10, 5, and 6. We will not include 1 because all whole numbers have a factor of 1. Okay, 30, 2, 15, 3, 10, 5, and 6 are the factors of 30. Okay, next, list down all the factors of 16. We'll just need to think of two numbers that if we multiply, we'll get a product of 16. Okay, Pwedeng 1 times 16 because 1 times 16 or 16 times 1 is equal to 16. Next, 2 times 8 because 2 times 8 or 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Next, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay, therefore, the factors of 16 are 16, 2, 8, and 4. Okay, we'll count the same number as 1. Kahit na dalawa sila, okay, kapareho silang 4, so 1 lang sila. Okay, so the factors of 16 are 16, 2, 8, and 4. Will not include 1 because all numbers have a factor of 1. So the factors of 16 are 16, 2, 8, and 4.